Practicality meets innovation once again, but this time, it's smarter, more efficient, and more stylish than ever. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Citroën Berlingo. Hey everyone, welcome back Cars View channel. If you love versatile vehicles that blend comfort, utility, and modern tech, you're in for a treat. Today we're taking a full look at the 2026 Citroën Berlingo, from its refreshed exterior design, to its surprisingly premium interior, engine options, pricing, and everything in between. Let's get started. Starting with the exterior, and right away, you can tell this isn't just your typical MPV anymore. The 2026 Berlingo comes with a bold new front fascia. Notice the updated grille design, now seamlessly integrated with Citroën's latest logo styling. The slim LED headlights stretch outward, giving it a more futuristic and dynamic look. One of the best exterior details is how practical the shape still is. Moving to the side, the Berlingo keeps its iconic boxy silhouette, and honestly, that's a good thing. It maximizes space while still looking modern thanks to new alloy wheel designs and sharper body lines. The Berlingo features two sliding side doors, which immediately makes life easier in tight parking spots, school drop-offs, and family loading situations. At the rear, we see redesigned LED taillights and a cleaner tailgate layout. The wide opening remains, making loading cargo super easy, perfect for families, businesses, or adventure lovers. Now stepping inside, and this is where things get really interesting. The 2026 Berlingo has taken a big leap forward in terms of comfort and technology. The cabin feels more refined, with soft touch materials and a cleaner dashboard layout. The Berlingo actually delivers it in a way you can see and use. In the current UK Spec Plus trim, the infotainment setup includes a 10-inch HD touchscreen display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Bluetooth charging. The comfort and safety list also includes things like automatic wipers, rear parking sensors, cruise control and speed limiter, and an electric parking brake. If you move up to the higher spec versions, the Berlingo becomes even more family-friendly. Citroën lists features such as 3 individual rear seats on max versions, a 180 degrees color reversing camera, automatic air conditioning, and electric front and rear windows. Now let us talk about what powers the 2026 Citroën Berlingo. In the current UK market lineup, Citroën shows petrol and diesel options for the Berlingo MPV, while the electric e-Berlingo gives buyers a fully electric alternative. Citroën's page also shows the Berlingo as available with 2 engines, while the broader current offer includes petrol, diesel, and electric variants depending on trim and market selection. For the petrol version, Citroën lists a 110 horsepower manual model. For diesel, it shows a 100 horsepower manual and a 130 horsepower automatic. The electric e-Berlingo uses a 100 kilowatts, 136 horsepower motor paired with a 50 kilowatt-hour battery, and Citroën says it can deliver up to 213 miles WLTP combined. Now for the part everybody wants to know: how much does the 2026 Citroën Berlingo cost? On Citroën's current UK offer pages, the Berlingo M Plus petrol 110 horsepower manual starts from £24,185 OTR, while the e-Berlingo M Plus electric 136 horsepower automatic starts from £31,390 OTR. Citroën also shows a diesel manual starting from £24,785 and a diesel automatic starting from £27,385 on the Berlingo MPV page. That means the Berlingo is positioned as a practical, value-focused MPV rather than a luxury statement car. You are paying for space, flexibility, and comfort-first engineering. And if you want the quieter, smoother, more future-ready experience, the electric version is there with a higher starting price, but also with the benefits of zero tailpipe driving and a strong official WLTP range. So, what do we think? The 2026 Berlingo stays true to its roots, practical, spacious, and versatile, but now adds a modern twist with improved tech, better design, and more efficient powertrains. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments, would you choose the 2026 Berlingo as your daily vehicle? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.